this be one of the best moments of your life. You're listening to the Business Mirror podcast for a broader look on business with Senior Editor Dennis Estopace.
Good day. Today we will talk to Miss Joanna Paula Tuason, the Marketing and Communications Head of Lagom Philippines, an upcoming online business that sells locally crafted beers. Ms. Tuason is also the co-owner of online pastry business Real Chef Bakery, which was earlier featured here in the BM Broader Look podcast. Kamusta ka, Paula?
Hi, Jasper. Okay naman. Still thriving despite the pandemic. Ikaw, kumusta?
Ayun, ganun pa rin. Ayos naman. Like you, still coping with the pandemic, trying to survive each passing day. And I heard we have a good news today. Lagom Philippines will be launching today.
Yes, that's our very, very good news for today. We'll be starting to sell our craft beers already tonight. We're launching tonight, actually. So I would like to invite everybody, of course, through this podcast to check out our page and also our bottles.
Please tell our listeners what Lagom is all about and how did you come up with that name? Bakit Lagom yung name nyo? And who are the people behind this new online business venture of yours?
Okay, sige. Let me start with Lagom. Lagom is a Swedish word which means just the right amount. So basically, our business aims to offer a new breed of craft beers to the Kapampangan community and also to our fellow Filipinos. These bottles were brewed by local breweries in the Philippines. So our team, which is composed of four ladies, we're four millennial ladies. So me, myself, Paula, and then I have other partners, si Thea, si Sam, and also si Kyra. They are my good friends for a couple of years now. So our team conceptualized the design of each bottles in a way that each flavor reflects a person's personality, trait, and current feeling. So at Lagom, we believe that beer drinking is a personalized experience. Hence, every person's choice of variant reflects and defines his or her personality or current mood state. So basically, we designed the bottles, but we partnered with a local brewery here in Metro Manila to produce the beers for us. So ayun, we chose the word Lagom because this word means just the right amount. Because even though we're trying to promote drinking and also buying craft beers, we still want the public to feel that we want them to drink in moderation. So we chose this beautiful word because the message that we want to convey to the public is being represented by this word. So kaya laging Lagom siya. And kahit na actually before we wanted the name of the business to be a Filipino name. But when we discovered the meaning of this name, we went for it kasi nga the message is really very cool.
Bakit nyo naisipang bakit craft beer yung naisip yung business? Ano bang nakikita nyo sa market today in relation with craft beer, or is this something that you've been planning to establish or venture into since before the pandemic?
Actually, no. This was unexpected. The business was unexpected kasi kami magkakaibigan. We used to drink pre-COVID crisis. It's our way of unwinding. It's our way of celebrating good times, celebrating victories, and also sharing moments in life. So, nung pandemic, we got to be thinking, anong pwede natin gawin na business? Tapos, our partner, si Kyra, she's the one who mentioned this one, craft beers. Kasi sabi niya, total, it's something na hindi common na nire-resell siguro. Kasi it's being sold by microbreweries. Pero, it's not really being resold lalo na sa Pampanga in our province. So, ayun, from there, the idea of selling craft beers started. And then we realized na oo nga, that kind of business suits us kasi we used to drink, we're beer enthusiasts, and then we have good experiences about drinking. Actually, yung friendship namin, I think, prospered through drinking, no? Kasi we take beer drinking or drinking moderate moderately drinking as a shared experience. Kaya ayun. From there, nag-generate na yung idea. Tapos, doon na namin siya din-develop and we did some research on what we can do, who can we tap. Kaya, ayun, nabuo din siya finally. But it was very unexpected. Talagang ano lang siya. Something na nabuo lang through our conversations.
Can you take us through the planning process? How long did it take? Anong mga research yung ginawa ninyo? Sino mga kinausap ninyo? Ano yung mga naging problema nyo during that phase?
First, we started with looking for a brewery, of course. Kasi the problem here is we can't really have our own beers brewed by us. Kailangan namin pumartner sa isang brewery. Kasi wala kaming capital. We don't have the money to put up a brewery by ourselves. So, and we also have enough knowledge about beer kasi we're just beer enthusiasts. So from there, we started to talk to different breweries and then to get the best price, of course, kung kanino kami makikipag-partner na magiging worth it naman. And then yun yung first phase ng planning namin. And then after that, we started talking about the design of the bottles. Kasi I think this is our unique selling proposition because our bottle designs are very unique. I find them very unique and very engaging, especially for millennials. Yung design ng bottles namin, we want people to feel that beer drinking is an opportunity to bond, and we want our bottles to be conversation starters. Doon kami nag-start mag-conceptualize. Ano bang pwede nating ilagay dun sa bottles? Kaya doon, pag na-launch na yung beer bukas, you will discover bakit we promote beer drinking as a shared experience and also a way for people to share stories. Kasi our bottle designs are conversation starters, perfect for group sharing, and perfect for celebrating life with friends and family, and also sharing moments with them while drinking beer, of course. Kaya we encourage people to talk. Let's talk over beer. You don't need to get yourself drunk kasi nga we also promote drinking in moderation. Pero through beer drinking, we want people to bond. So basically, yun siya. Yun yung concept ng ng design namin.
And since you are launching tonight, talagang pinanahan yun in time for the Christmas season?
Yes, kasi syempre ito na yung, meron na despite the pandemic, we have intimate gatherings pa rin naman with family, with close family and with close friends. So, we're starting to sell our bottles already in line with the season. Kasi feeling namin ito na yung very festive season na we need to celebrate despite the pandemic going around. Kaya ayun, we're launching today, finally. After ilang months. Kasi matagal din namin siyang pinlano kasi we needed to talk to the brewery, ayun nga, and then we conceptualized the bottles. Tapos we also started the online, the social media accounts, which is very challenging. Kasi setting up an online business na talagang yung platform namin is purely online, yun yung medyo challenge for us. Kasi we needed to be more creative to penetrate the market. We needed to be creative in terms of what we post or what the content of our social media para mapansin kami kasi the market is very wide and in the internet space kasi is very open to the public. So kailangan talaga engaging yung post namin para ma-attract yung target market and also other Filipinos who are also craft beer enthusiasts.
Aside from looking for the right brewery partner, ano pa yung mga naging challenges nyo or hurdles bago nyo ma-achieve yung launching day?
Challenges. Ayun, first of all is yun nga, yung sa social media. I think that's the main challenge kasi this is our primary platform to sell. So, yung pag-set up ng social media is one major challenge that we have to conquer. And then, ano pa ba? Siguro internally, we do have our own struggles working with each other kasi it's our first time. For a long time, we've been friends. So, medyo nangapa kami sa una on how would we attack the business without without interfering with our friendship, parang ganun. So, but now I think we're getting the hang of it kasi kumbaga na-distribute na yung workload. We know what's the role of this. I know my role as the one doing the marketing, the communications part, and then one is assigned on the sales, one is assigned on the logistics. So medyo na-figure out na namin. So that's that's another challenge for us. So basically, I think Jasper, yun lang naman. Yung sa online platform and yung sa internal struggle namin because we've been friends for a couple of years.
Saka ito nga, nabento mo, ito yung first business venture nyo na as friends. So that's one of the biggest challenge. Talagang
sabi ko sa kanila, I would always choose our friendship over the business. Kasi sabi ko, yung business I can partner with other people, siguro na hindi ko friends. But of course, I can't lose the friendship with them because it's something that keeps me going when times are rough. And I think they would also say this.
Pero with that, with those months of tinkering upon this business, ano yung pinaka natutuhan mo, lalo na somehow ito nga, it involves your friendship with your three closest friends?
I learned the concept of patience and taking your time. You always don't need to rush things kasi I find millennials, siguro dahil millennial tayo, medyo kasi yung mga very aggressive, tapos very driven, which are two good qualities. Pero at the same time, you need to slow down, you need to think first before deciding. And patience kasi nga you're working with new people. It's an entirely new environment for you na working with your friends. So you need to be patient with one another to help one another generate creative ideas. Kasi minsan kapag pinipilit nyo na we need to talk about this right now, we need to finish this one right now, mas lalong walang nangyayari. So that's the part na kailangan maging patient kayo, and you need to take your time. Creativity takes time, right? Creativity takes time. So we take our time. Tapos we're patient with one another kasi we try to maximize the strength, our personal strengths. For example, kung saan ako magaling, saan magaling si Bea, saan magaling si Kyra. So we're trying to maximize that. Kaya we're taking our time and we are being very patient with one another.
And for the record, the other your friends also have full-time jobs, or they also do something during this pandemic aside from Lagom PH?
Yes, of course. We're established ladies. So si Thea is a medical representative. Kyra is part of their family business with catering and also with events. And then Sam is a dentist. And ako naman, I'm juggling work and school. I'm with SM Retail and also an MA Marketing Com student. So marami rin kami gina-juggle in life. And so setting up this online business is already an achievement for us. We still have a lot to learn and we still need to sell, of course, because we're just starting. But we're very hopeful of the coming days and also the success of this business. We're very hopeful.
Mm-hmm. How do you find time to kayong apat? How do you find time for
to juggle everything? Paano ba? Kasi kami even before the business, we talk to each other every day. Sa chat lang, sa Messenger. So what we did, naggumawa kami ng group chat na it's just for the business. So lahat ng business talks nandoon. So each one is obliged to backread everything, all the ideas every day. So ganun yung process namin. Tapos from there, sinabi namin na let's do each other's roles para mag-prosper pa rin yung business kahit na meron tayong mga kanya-kanyang priorities every day. And then, I think naman also na you always need to find time. Lagi namang may oras. You just need to find it. And if you're really passionate about what you do or with what you want, makakagawa ka ng oras. So I also salute my partners kasi they're also busy people. But since we want to have a small business, na kami to, na makasasabi namin at the end of the day na it was just us. It was our friendship that made this business. That's something na magiging proud kami. So that's why we really wanted to push this.
Walk us through the products that you will be launching tonight, and what products can we expect from Lagom PH?
For Lagom, we're starting with craft beers. As mentioned, we partnered with local breweries in the country. Actually, with one brewery pa lang, but as time passed by, gusto pa rin namin nakipag-partner with others kasi we also want to empower local breweries in the country. We also want to support local, of course. Kaya we're starting with craft beers, and we have our 4 variants launching tonight. Yung 4 variants na yan, you'll be surprised by the concept, by the very engaging design models, and also with the names. Kung anong pangalan ng mga craft beer variants. Yan, something na pwedeng hintayin ng mga tao, the design also. So, it's very exciting. And, syempre, yung quality ng beer is really very good. Talagang masasabi mo na worth it naman siya for its price, and worth it naman siyang itry. Especially if you're a craft beer enthusiast, you'll enjoy the flavors. Kasi we have flavors na medyo strong, medyo for light drinking lang. Kasi nga, depende naman yan sa mood natin, di ba? May times na we just want to drink na chill lang, very light, just to cap off the day. Pero meron din naman times na parang, oh, I feel like I'm having a moment. So you just want to drink hard. So meron din kami pang ganun. So the variants are very flexible, and the variants are really very good, and good for social drinking and also for group drinking.
And how do you see Lagom in the next few months? What are your targets in the next quarter, let's say, since you're launching mid-December na?
For next year, no? Kasi January na tayo. So syempre, we're hopeful na kakagatin siya ng market. And then, we see it naman, for now, we see it as an online business. We just want to sell the bottles. Kasi we're just starting with craft beers, but we're also hoping to add other kinds of bottles like wine, or in the future, maybe yung mga fruit wines na locally made din, that we can also empower local wineries in the country. So, ayun. Yun din yung isa namin lilook forward. But for now, we're starting with the 4 variants, and I hope a lot of people will be interested in tasting them. So, for now, yun muna yung siguro short-term goal namin for the next half of next year. For the first half, of next year. And then, in the future, malay mo, di ba, magka-brewery kami sa Pampanga. Or malay mo, magka-bar kami ng mga ala poblasyon sa Pampanga kasi medyo wala pa kang ganun sa province namin. So, in the future...
You mentioned yung Pampanga market, and you mentioned din yung wala pang ganoon na develop na ganitong type of business sa Pampanga. How huge is the potential that you're looking at sa Pampanga in selling these craft beers?
I think meron namang iilan na nagbebenta. Pero kaya masasabi ko rin na it's an opportunity. Kasi hindi pa marami. Hindi pa marami yung nagbebenta ng ganitong product sa province namin. That's why from there doon din nag-kick in na parang there's a opportunity here na we can penetrate.
Wala masyadong competition.
Oo, ganun na nga. Siguro kung meron man, kung iilan-ilan lang din sila. But sabi ko nga, we are very positive with the concept that we have, and also the design of our models. Kaya feeling ko talaga yung unique selling proposition namin sa province.
And you mentioned millennials as one of the key target markets. Paano naman yung ating mga titos and titas of Manila and Pampanga?
Nako, millennial ka man or titas and titos ka man or whatever, may storya ka. That's the point. Lagom believes that beer drink, in every bottle that you drink, there's a hidden story on why you drink and there will be a story after you drink. So we want people to experience our bottle, to create memories with their friends or with their families while drinking, and also of course to share their memories. Kasi may kasabihan nga, I know you know this, a hangover lasts a day but a drunken memory lasts a lifetime. So there will always be memories in beer drinking, of course in moderation. There will always be reasons why we drink 2 bottles, why we drink 1 bottle. So that's what Lagom wants to that's what Lagom wants to make people feel. There will always be stories behind each bottle that we drink, and we want people to share those stories. Especially nowadays, I think very vital yung nagsasalita ka, na you're sharing your thoughts, you're sharing your feelings, either positive or negative. Kasi ang daming people na nakaka-experience ng loneliness or anxiety. So I think it helps to talk about your feelings, either positive man yan or negative. So this is we want people to see beer drinking and social drinking as a shared experience, and also an opportunity to bond and to unwind and for friendships to prosper. Not just, kasi yung iba tingin nila sa beer, you just drink the bottle and then you're done. No, we see these times as opportunities for people to bond talaga, and also for friendships to prosper.
This is your time to promote Lagom to our listeners.
Hello to every listener sa podcast na to. I want to invite you all as we launch tonight, Lagom Bottles PH. We're about to launch our first 4 craft beer variants. So I hope you can check out our page at Lagom Bottles PH for Facebook and Instagram. So you can access our variants, kung ano yung mga details about our flavors, and also how to purchase, and the mode of payment, and the delivery details. Lahat naman accessible na tonight dun sa dun sa mga pages namin. So I hope you guys can check out our page, and sana ma-entice kayo sa mga design ng bottles namin, and you'll get to try the very good craft beers that we have.
Thank you very much, Paula, for your time.
Yeah, thank you, Jasper.
Thank you for listening to the Business Mirror podcast. For a broader look on business, follow us on Facebook and Twitter at Business Mirror. Until next time.